Hello friends, welcome to the Techlisten channel. So friends, today I will talk about Philips 49B2U5900CH monitor. So friend, one of the key aspects of the Philips 48.8-inch curved SuperWide display, it brings new innovative features such as the Busylight and tilting earphone hook never before seen on the Philips monitor, and all of these new features along with the Philips 49B2U5900CH USB Type-C docking solution with RJ45 port as well as the TÜV Rheinland Eyesafe certification, making this model ideal for office professionals looking to increase productivity in the workspace, and as well as for those who work from home and require a highly collaborative product to facilitate their workday. And it is designed to create a more dynamic work environment and for professional working in office as an office setting. The new busy light is located at the top of the monitor's webcam, and it can sync with Microsoft Teams status to colleagues know whether others are on a call or not. And friend, it features 5 megapixel webcam with Windows Hello. Not only you experience picture perfect quality, but they can also log into Microsoft accounts automatically through facial recognition with the Windows Hello feature. And friend, the screen will be come with 5120 by 1440 resolution is equivalent to heavy 227-inch 16 9 QHD HD monitor side by side, and in addition, thanks to the VA panel, it has a 178 by 178 degree viewing angle and 3000 gem1 contrast ratio, allowing you to see with complete clarity from any angle. And friend, connectivity feature is the USB Type-C docking with RJ45 ultimate feature for facilitating workflow, and versatile USB Type-C connection allow for the 100 watt of power delivery as well as high-speed data transfer and to from the device. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, it will be available for purchase from mid-November and comes with a price of 949.99 euros. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.